I gotta design and build my very own custom snowboard.
Yo! All right, here we go. We're back with another episode of me, Andreas, doing some art. And today, I am super excited to show you my custom snowboard. Fuck yeah. And let me tell you, it was fucking sick. So I've been working for Never Summer for a couple years now. Yeah, I get to design my own snowboard. I've done one before. This will be my second one. However, back then I didn't film any of the process, but I'll show you a sneak peek of what it looks like. But now it's time to design my second board, and I'm bringing you guys along for the journey. So let's go. First things first, let's hop on the computer. Oh yeah. A while back during a full moon, I was out with my camera taking some videos and some pictures. And I got a couple super sick pictures. I got this one picture of a silhouette of a tree branch in front of the full moon. So the tree branch is in full focus and the moon is this blurry bulb. So I took that and I separated the color waves out. And then another picture I got was on my street that I live off of. I took a long exposure looking down the street. So you get all the streaks of the car lights moving by. And I'm meshing those two together to create the background. The next thing I got that I'm going to layer on top of it were these pictures I got of my hands. So after I was painting in the studio for a while, my hands were covered in paint. They looked super cool. So I was just taking some pictures in front of a black wall. I got one of the peace sign and one of the middle finger. And, you know, I just love like the contrast and the balance of opposites. So on one half of the board, we're going to have the peace sign, and on the other half, we're going to have the middle finger. Let's go. All right, hell yeah, the design looks sick. I'm stoked with what I got. Of course, I had to slap my guy on it, so he's on the top and the bottom of the board. Let's take this thing to work and let's build this snowboard. All right, so first things first, we're gonna head to the print shop. All right, cool. We got the graphics sublimated, ready to go. Let's take them to the builders and have them lay up the board. Here we go. And bam, we got ourselves a fucking custom snowboard by yours truly. Yeah, I guess all that's left to do now is go fucking shred.
Obviously, right? This is not working out, and I'm gonna ask you to leave.
Can I just hit the jump and move the table out of the way?
No, I mean, it's obvious I can't allow adults to be adults and make right decisions about this private property. We're not using the property appropriately. I just gotta call the ball on everybody and nobody gets to do it. If I see you back, that's gonna become a DPS safety department issue and officer's gonna talk to you. I know you've been doing video. Get one more video. Hope it's a sweet video. It's the last. It's the last. It's the last.
I think it looks gnarlier if you just point it up like this, because it's like the running's kind of gnarly. Yeah, they're gnarly.
An officer's gonna talk to you. An officer's gonna talk to you.
Alright, for that reason I'm out. See my little friend Bob just jumped in. Oh yeah. Yeah, bud. Oh, dude. Yeah, bud. Yeah. Sparkage. Fuck yeah,
Every
bud.
time I'm like in the air, I'm like, hope I land on this fucking thing. Super clean, but it's the cleanest one I got. I don't want to get more fucking hurt because I've already been slamming a bunch, and who knows when that security cock's gonna roll up. So we out.